Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 13, leçon K. And in this lesson, we'll see together les locutions adverbiales qui expriment la situation géographique. Okay, but then the first thing that we've got to see is, of course, what are we talking when we are talking about une locution adverbiale? And actually, it's quite simple because une locution adverbiale, well, it's a group of words that altogether will be used as an adverb, okay? So that's exactly what we will use une locution adverbiale for, okay? So it's just to complete a verb, all right? And then you're using it instead of an adverb just because, well, you want to use something else if the adverb is existing, or then in some cases, well, adverbs are not existing to express what la locution adverbiale will express, okay? So we'll see now the first one. Au-dessus. Au-dessus. Okay, so each time you will see the translation in English below. Au-dessus. Au-dessous. 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 En dessous. En dessous. En dessous. En face. En face. En face. Par-dessus. 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 Par-dessous. 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 Sans dessus-dessous. Sans dessus dessous. Sans dessus-dessous. And that's it. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier, and then like me on Facebook. I will be so happy. It's right here. And of course, the website is waiting for you if you want more material, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.